Lean benefits sales and marketing are the lifelines of any business, driving revenue, customer engagement, and brand awareness. Lean manufacturing focuses on eliminating waste, improving efficiency, and maximizing value delivery. Similarly, industrial engineering uses systematic approaches to design, analyze, and improve processes. Together, these methodologies can transform how sales and marketing teams operate. Lean principles to sales and marketing. In marketing, waste might include targeting the wrong audience, excessive revisions, or underperforming campaigns. Lean tools, like value stream mapping, can identify bottlenecks and inefficiencies. Example: a company analyzed their content creation process and found that 40% of time was wasted in unnecessary approvals. Streamlining this improved their time to market by 30%. Kaizen, or continuous improvement, encourages teams to make incremental improvements. Take Toyota's dealership network, for example. They used Kaizen to refine their sales funnel, reducing lead response time by 50%, which led to a 20% increase in conversions. Standard Work. A core Lean principle ensures consistency in processes. In sales, this could mean defining clear steps for lead qualification and follow-ups. By standardizing workflows within CRM systems, HubSpot reported a 15% improvement in their sales team's productivity. Leveraging data-driven decisions, time, and motion studies. A hallmark of industrial engineering can analyze sales processes to identify inefficiencies. For instance, a tech company reduced their average call handling time by analyzing and restructuring their scripts, leading to a better customer experience and higher sales closures. Simulation models allow marketing teams to test campaigns in a virtual environment before launch. This technique helped a global retail brand predict and optimize the ROI of their holiday season ads, leading to a 25% increase in sales. Case studies: Coca-Cola applied Lean principles to their global marketing strategy by focusing on customer-centric campaigns and reducing waste in ad spend. This approach resulted in a 20% reduction in marketing costs and higher engagement rates. Amazon uses Lean and industrial engineering principles to optimize every touchpoint from product recommendations to delivery. Their data-driven approach ensures they're not just meeting but exceeding customer expectations, driving unparalleled loyalty. Tips to get started: conduct a value stream mapping session. Map your current sales and marketing processes to identify waste and prioritize improvements. Foster a culture of Kaizen and encourage teams to suggest small, actionable improvements regularly. Invest in data analytics tools. Use industrial engineering methods to analyze and optimize campaigns and sales strategies. Via Lean manufacturing, sales and marketing teams can achieve remarkable efficiency and effectiveness. Start small, think big, and watch your results soar. Are you ready to embrace Lean in your marketing strategy?